Every product has a story, a journey from raw materials to finished innovation. Welcome to Process Intelligence AI, where industry meets intelligence. Chapter 1, Responsible Crocodile Farming. The journey starts long before a jacket is ever designed. It begins at licensed crocodile farms, where crocodiles are raised under strict regulations. These farms focus on animal welfare, controlled breeding, veterinary care, and environmental sustainability. Young crocodiles hatch in temperature-controlled incubators before being transferred to specially designed enclosures. Each enclosure maintains carefully monitored water quality, humidity, and temperature to provide healthy living conditions. The animals receive nutritionally balanced diets that promote steady growth and healthy skin development. Workers regularly inspect every crocodile, ensuring proper health while minimizing skin damage such as scratches or bite marks. Every hide is examined for thickness, texture, scale pattern, and overall quality. Only premium-grade hides continue toward luxury leather production. The hides are then thoroughly washed to remove dirt, natural oils, and impurities. Next comes fleshing. Specialized machines carefully remove any remaining fat and tissue from the inner surface. This creates a clean foundation for the tanning process. After cleaning, the hides are temporarily preserved using controlled curing methods that prevent bacterial growth while maintaining flexibility. The preserved hides are now ready for one of the most important steps in leather manufacturing. Chapter 3, Tanning Process. Tanning transforms raw animal hide into durable leather that can last for decades. The hides are placed inside enormous rotating tanning drums. Inside these drums, they are treated with carefully formulated tanning solutions. These solutions stabilize the collagen fibers within the hide, preventing decomposition while improving strength and flexibility. The drums slowly rotate for many hours, allowing every part of the leather to absorb the tanning agents evenly. Throughout the process, technicians continuously monitor temperature, chemical concentration, and pH levels. After tanning is complete, the leather is washed several times to remove excess chemicals. The hides now possess the durability, softness, and flexibility required for luxury fashion products. Chapter 4, DY, Drying and Finishing. Now begins the transformation that gives crocodile leather its luxurious appearance. Large dyeing drums evenly distribute premium leather dyes throughout every hide. Controlled airflow and humidity slowly remove moisture without causing shrinkage. Once dry, the leather enters the finishing department. Here, skilled technicians polish the surface using specialized finishing machines. Natural waxes, oils, and protective coatings are applied to enhance softness, water resistance, and durability. Some hides receive additional glazing that creates the famous glossy finish often associated with luxury crocodile leather. Finally, every hide undergoes another detailed inspection to ensure perfect texture, color consistency, and flawless scale patterns. Only the highest quality leather proceeds to garment production. Chapter 5, Designing the Jacket. Inside the design studio, fashion designers begin transforming premium leather into wearable luxury. Computer software creates precise jacket patterns that maximize leather usage while preserving the natural beauty of every scale. Each pattern is carefully arranged so that symmetrical sections of the crocodile hide appear on visible areas like the chest, sleeves, and back. Designers pay close attention to visual balance because every crocodile has a unique scale pattern. No two jackets will ever look exactly alike. This individuality is one reason crocodile leather remains highly valued worldwide. Chapter 6, Cutting and Stitching. Once the patterns are finalized, cutting begins. Experienced craftsmen position every pattern by hand before making precise cuts. Unlike mass-produced fabrics, crocodile leather requires individual attention because every hide is unique. The cut leather panels move to the sewing department. Industrial sewing machines, specially designed for thick leather, create strong and uniform seams. Highly trained artisans carefully stitch together each section while maintaining perfect alignment of the scale patterns. Linings made from silk, satin, or premium polyester are added for comfort. Heavy-duty zippers, luxury buttons, metal hardware, collars, cuffs, and pockets are attached with exceptional precision. Each jacket gradually takes its final shape through dozens of detailed manufacturing steps. Chapter 7, Quality Control. Before reaching customers, every luxury jacket undergoes rigorous quality inspection. Inspectors examine every stitch for strength and accuracy. They verify symmetry, leather texture, color consistency, zipper operation, lining quality, and overall craftsmanship. Any jacket that fails even a minor inspection is returned for correction. Premium brands maintain extremely high standards because their reputation depends on flawless products. Only jackets meeting every quality requirement receive final approval. Chapter 8, Packaging and Luxury Retail. The completed jackets are gently cleaned and polished one final time. Each garment is placed inside protective dust bags before being packaged in premium presentation boxes. Certificates of authenticity and care instructions are included with every jacket. The finished products are then shipped to luxury boutiques and flagship fashion stores around the world. There, these handcrafted jackets become symbols of elegance, exclusivity, and exceptional craftsmanship. Every jacket represents months of careful farming, advanced leather processing, expert craftsmanship, and uncompromising quality. Outro. From responsibly managed crocodile farms to world-class leather tanneries and master tailors, you've witnessed the complete manufacturing journey behind one of the world's most luxurious fashion products. Every stage reflects precision, experience, and remarkable craftsmanship that transforms a natural material into a timeless statement of luxury. If you enjoyed this inside look at modern manufacturing, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Process Intelligence AI, and turn on notifications for more fascinating factory tours and industrial documentaries from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next manufacturing journey.